couple of days ago, I was watching one of the Uber YouTubers, trying to explain how much he made last year's Good Friday. In fact, he made almost £400. I think, if my memory serves me right, he said he made about £380. And I was so impressed. So I promised myself, being my first Good Friday as an Uber driver, I will be going out to see what I can earn. The idea of working AM and PM was an idea I got from this particular YouTuber. He stated that he did 6 to 12 in the morning and then went out later in the evening from 4 to very late. And that's exactly what I try to emulate. I went out about 7 in the morning, came back 12:30, and then went out again about 5, and then came back very late, about 1 a.m. It's 5 p.m. and time to start today's evening shift. Let's go there. Let's get started. Trip number 9 for the day and the first trip of the evening. Let's go and get the customer. Let's go there. Let's go. Hello. Hi, how you doing? I was just round the corner, but I couldn't go because of the 7
the restrictions.
So I had to go around.
Should
Please
we
come
all
in.
squeeze in the back or should one?
No,
Are
you're
we okay with a drink?
yes, fine.
Yes, sure. Thank you. Oh, that makes total sense. Yeah, I realised afterwards, but then I did wonder why it sent you that way in the first place.
Please come in. Hello, hi. How are you, all right?
Yeah, good, how are you?
No bad, thank you. Let me know when it's
Right
good.
here is
Right here is good.
Yeah, just up here is the yellow building. Yep.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you.
No worries, thank you.
Have a good day.
And you. That's trip number 10 completed and earned £6.93. Moving on to the next one, trip number 11. Let's go and get it done. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing, sir? All right?
Yeah, good.
Thank you very much. Cool. That's trip number 11 completed and earned £8.27. Moving on. Next trip number 12. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello, is that fair, yeah?
Yeah.
Please come in. Thank you. No worries at all.
Iranians are looking for the
Is that okay?
Yeah, anyway, here's
Anyway, it's good.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries. Have a good evening. Cheers.
Have a good evening.
And you. Bye-bye. Cheers. That's trip number 13 completed and earned £11.70. Moving on to the next one, trip number 14. Let's get it done. Hi, that's Steve.
Yeah, yeah.
How are you?
Boss, you alright?
I'm good. How are you? All right?
Yeah, all good, thank you.
Very much.
Thank you, boss.
Cheers. Good. No
Have a
worries.
good one.
And you. Cheers. Good night. Thanks. That's trip number 14 completed and earned £19.24. Moving on to the next one, trip number 15. Let's get it done. Hello, Natalie Ann. Yeah, please come in.
Did you want to?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good night. That's trip number 15 completed and earned £5.24. Hello. Hi, Helly, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Right. That's trip number 16 completed and earned £9.20. We're still on Good Friday shift. Okay, let's keep going. Next one, trip number 17. Let's go. Are you all right?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
No worries, sir. Thank you. Can I keep going? The map says we've gone past it.
Okay. So
According,
it's good.
according to the map. All right, thank you. That's trip number 18 completed and earned £8.73. Moving on to the next one, trip number 19. Let's go there. Hello.
Hey,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Nine.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Trip number 19 completed and earned £14.56. Okay? Hopefully, trip number 20 will be the last trip for the day. Let's go there. Let's go and get the passenger. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi, there's Lily. Hello, please come in.
Oh, sorry, babe.
All right?
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Have a good
Have a
evening.
good night.
And yeah, bye.
Oh my gosh.
That's trip number 20 completed and earned £5.82. Nice one. Let's keep going. Hello,
Hey.
Callan, yes?
He is, yeah.
Thank you.
How's it all doing?
Not bad, thank you. Not bad, it's been good. You
Um,
want me to go into the gate?
no.
All right, okay, so you want to get, okay. All
Can
right.
I add a stop? Is it?
It's late now, pick up a new job.
Have you got another one?
Yeah, pick up a new job
Okay,
already.
cool.
Come with me, you can go to the toilet.
Thank you.
It's time for today's shift breakdown. Now let's do the numbers. AM shift, online 5 hours, driving time 3 hours 58 minutes, trips 8 minutes, earnings £89.83. PM shift, that is the afternoon shift, online time 7 hours 45 minutes, driving time 6 hours, trips 15, earnings £142.10. Now, total earnings for the day £231.94. EV charge £23.50. Mileage 144 miles. That is the breakdown for today's shift. Let me know in the comments how much you made on Good Friday. Until next time, stay safe and drive smart. And I shall see you in the next episode.